Hey, it's that time again. It's time for Mountain Crest Gardens unboxing. This is my box, my Succulent Club. This is February's box, Mountain Crest Gardens. I'm not going to go through all of the paperwork again. You've seen that before. But the best thing about these, in my opinion, is these little cards that you get. So I have no idea what we're getting for this month, but you can see we're getting a sunrise. Oh, that's beautiful. Anacampsaris telefistrum variegata, and I'm sure I butchered that, but it's called sunrise. Then we have crinkle leaf plant, Adromachus costata. I've had one of these, and I think I've killed it. A chocolate soldier, which is Kalanchoe tomentosa. Have one of those. And then we have a zebra plant, Haworthia opsis fasciata. Haworthia opsis fasciata. Okay. Here is our first plant. And this is a sunrise. Anacampsaris variegata. And our second plant, the zebra plant, Haworthiopsis fasciata. And then our second one is a crinkle leaf plant, which is Andromiscus cristata. So our last plant is the Kalanchoe tomentosa, and it has, if you know, it has fuzzy leaves. And here is our last plant. They're all in great shape. They are covered with soil mix, and I knocked this little piece off when I was trying to get the soil off of that, but that will just take root, just like our other succulents that we do. We throw a leaf down and it'll make a new plant. Now, I also have a mystery bag. Let's see what's in it for this time. They're really good about putting surprise items in their bags. So let's see what this is. Oh, there's two cuttings. Two. Look, that's got two rosettes that's being made on it. Very pretty, very proud of those. Those are really nice looking plants. I'll lay these right here. Let you get a good look at those. I think this is a great unboxing. Love all my stuff from Mountain Crest Gardens. And I'm glad I joined their Ultimate Succulent Club. I think it's a really good thing. And if y'all haven't tried this out, y'all need to, so that you can get 4, 5, or 6 beautiful plants a month, especially if you're not in a place where you have ready access to succulents. It's a great way to get them.